For about a 6-week period, I was seeing everybody's chakras, their energy centres, sort of wobbling out the front of their body and out the back of their body. And I've got to tell you, it was highly amusing, but also a little bit frustrating and weird, because just walking down the street or in court, because I was still in wig and gown and running legal cases, and I could see the judge's chakras, I could see my opponent's chakras, I could see what happened to their chakras when a pretty girl came into the room. The sex chakra goes chung round the corner.
That would have been
It was hilarious. It was really hilarious. And so with pranic healing and that particular experience, which taught me lots and lots about the chakras, that was probably the next part about my journey.
Okay, I just want to jump back to the court for a second.
Yeah.
So you're there with your wig on, so you can see what's actually going on with someone's chakras, and truth or not.
Well, I could actually.
And what's coming out of their mouth.
Yes.
How did that change that? Because, you know, with law, it's got to be based on the evidence.
Of course, yeah.
Did you have a case where...
I had one particular case where I had a client during this 6-week period, and anyway, they were in the witness box, and it actually wasn't my client, it was someone else I was watching in the witness box, and they answered a question, and a big black flash came out of their throat chakra, and I just knew that they'd been lying about what they were talking about. Yeah, so it was very handy. And I also had the same experience a couple of times with a person with whom I was negotiating to try and get an out-of-court settlement, and I was told that this was the last offer. There wouldn't be any more money. Big black flash comes out of the throat chakra. And I thought, And of course we ended up settling for a higher figure. So it was a very educational time. And I think that you could say that's taking unfair advantage, but at the same time you can also say that every single person is actually aware on this level, but not quite so consciously. You know or often you can know when someone's lying. You just know. And the reason you know is because your chakras, your energy field, is talking to their energy field. And you just find out things through your intuition all the time. So during that 6-week period, I just had a very augmented experience of knowing what was going on with other people.